So I got a question from Allie asking if I have any advice for EMT students who are good in school but lack confidence out in the field. Shout outs to Allie because most people who graduate school, they don't admit this, but this is, I would imagine, everybody who finishes school. So I'll never forget the first time I was ever asked this question. It was from a student. I was a little taken back. He said, "Mike, when did all of this click for you? Like, I could pass all these tests, I can run all these scenarios in class, but when does this actually click and make sense? And when would I actually feel confident running these calls and making these decisions?" Great question. Now, Allie, the first advice that I can give is get experience. The sooner you get experience, the better. And I push this on students constantly. You have to work private ambulance, get into an ER, work in something where you get to deal with patients. If you don't, you just don't get used to it. All right. You can learn as much as you can in school, but if you're not used to running the calls, it's going to be challenging for you and you will not be confident. The next thing I got to say is do the work. And let me explain myself. Most EMS systems, you're either running a 2-man truck or a 3-man truck. And if you're on a significant call, you can have up to 6, maybe even more people on that call. Now, let's say that you aren't confident at maybe your medication administration, or maybe you're not confident in saying, "Hey, I need to put in a supraglottic airway during that cardiac arrest," or whatever the case might be. If you're not confident in it, it's because you don't do it. The only way you get confident is by doing something over and over and over again. Now, if there's something in the job that you don't feel confident in, it's because you just haven't been practicing it enough. This is something I want everyone to understand. In this job, somebody's going to do the job. Again, you might be on the serious call. You might have 6 people in the back of that truck with you. When shit hits the fan and somebody needs to actually do a specific skill, someone's going to step up to the plate and do it. Make that person you. It's the only way you're going to ever get confident. It's uncomfortable at first, but the longer that you are uncomfortable doing that thing over and over and over again, it becomes comfortable. That's the best advice I can give you. Keep doing the job, keep learning, ask questions. It's the only way you're going to get better. Good luck.